Hello and welcome back to the class. Today we will learn a very interesting tense, a very simple and a very easy tense. That is the near future tense, the immediate future tense. El futuro cercano. Cercano. Cerca means near. So near future tense, right? It's a very simple tense. How we do it? We always use the verb ir, and the infinitive, unconjugated form of the regular verb. Only. Remember, in this tense, only and only regular verb is used. No irregular verb, no special verb, stem changing radical, no any other verb is used in this tense. So, it's a very simple tense. In this tense, what we talk about is what we are going to do in the near future. Like, we use the conjugated form of this verb ir. Suppose, voy a caminar en la parque. I am going to walk in the park. Voy a leer el libro. I am going to read the book. I am going to, you are going to, she is going to, we are going to. In this way, we frame the simple immediate future tenses with the help of this logic, and this tense is called el futuro cercano. Right? Hope this easy tense is clear to you. Right? Thank you.